Good Tuesday afternoon to Chief Meteorologist Richard Scott here with the forecast update. Had a few pop-up thunderstorms earlier today on radar. Most spots stay dry. The better coverage over West Alabama. Tomorrow, I think we'll see a few more scattered thunderstorms after lunch, but not everybody's going to get that rain. Temperatures this afternoon on this Tuesday topping out in the low 90s along Interstate 24, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston, mid to upper 90s over South Central Alabama. I think we'll see temperatures more like that as we go towards the next several days, especially Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. Here's your forecast for a Wednesday. The chance for a few pop-up thunderstorms, primarily after lunch between about noontime and 10 o'clock tomorrow night. After that, thunderstorms should fizzle out, and we will stay mostly dry for Thursday into Friday. Forecast model, check it out. Mostly dry tonight. It's going to be muggy. You'll notice that high dew point overnight, and there will be a light east breeze developing by sunrise Wednesday. And notice during the afternoon hours, a few pop-up thunderstorms randomly across the state. Not a deal where everybody gets the rain, but a few spots could get a downpour or two on Wednesday. Thursday, again, the chance for that starts to die off quite a bit. This upper air ridge east of us starts to build in on Thursday. As that happens, you'll notice hotter weather will top out in the low to mid 90s. Heat index Thursday through the weekend approaching 100. So it is going to be more like summer. Once again, still summer in Alabama. Out of the tropics, got a post-tropical system. Fiona was a tropical storm, now downgraded, no longer a tropical feature. Tropical storm Gaston out here in the East Atlantic on the way becoming a hurricane sometime tonight. And that feature right there, tropical wave, a lot of thunderstorm activity with it near the Lesser Antilles. That could become a tropical storm in the next several days. Here's our forecast models on that. Each individual line there represents another computer model, and again, notice how that tracks over the Bahamas into Florida or potentially the Gulf of Mexico. That'll be sometime later in the weekend or early next week. A lot of questions on this. So far, it's not a named storm. I think once it does get a distinct circulation, become a named storm, we'll easily be able to tell you where it's going to go. But right now, it is way too much speculation on where this could go. Our forecast models are literally all over the place on potential development and strength of what could be a tropical storm, but keep it tuned here. We're going to update that as we obviously get a bit closer. Here's your forecast. Next 7 days, we'll top out again in the 90s this week and towards the weekend. Notice the risk of rain is somewhat lower at about 10% for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Even on Sunday, overnight lows continue in the mid 70s.